Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to meet a woman whose brilliance literally glowed in the dark, a trailblazer who defied convention, fought against the odds, and changed the world through her pioneering research. But before we dive into her amazing story, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if you enjoy what we do, why not consider becoming a member? It's a great way to support us and our work. But enough about her. Let's get into it. She was a woman ahead of her time, breaking boundaries long before the term girl boss was coined. So, who was this remarkable woman, and what were her groundbreaking discoveries? What obstacles did she face, and how did she overcome them? Well, here's everything you need to know. Early life. Maria Skłodowska was born on November 7, 1867 in Warsaw, Poland, then part of the Russian Empire. From an early age, Maria showed an inquisitive mind and a passion for learning. However, her path to education was not an easy one. Due to societal norms and restrictions placed on women at the time, she was denied access to higher education. Despite this setback, Maria's thirst for knowledge did not diminish. She attended clandestine classes held at an underground school known as the Flying University, where women could pursue their studies in secret. To support herself financially while continuing her education, Maria worked as a governess. Eventually, she saved enough money to pursue her dream of studying abroad in Paris. Parisian adventures. In 1891, at the age of 24, Maria arrived in Paris and began studying at the prestigious Sorbonne University. Here she immersed herself in the fields of physics and mathematics, quickly establishing herself as a brilliant student. Maria's talent and hard work paid off, and she graduated near the top of her class in both subjects. It was also at the Sorbonne that she adopted the French name Marie and dropped her last name to avoid anti-Slavic sentiment at the time. At this point, she was already fluent in 5 languages and would eventually become fluent in German. Love and marriage. During her time at the Sorbonne, Marie met the love of her life, Marie Curie, a physicist who shared her passion for science. Their shared interests and intellectual curiosity sparked a deep connection, and the couple soon got married. Together they embarked on a journey of scientific discovery that would change the world. Pierre and Marie's partnership was not only professional, but also personal. They were devoted to each other, and their collaboration led to some of the most groundbreaking discoveries in physics and chemistry. Radioactive research. The Curie's work focused on radioactive materials, a term that Marie coined. Their research led to the discovery of 2 new elements, polonium named after Marie's native Poland, and radium. These discoveries shook the scientific community and established the Curies as pioneers in the field of radioactivity. Marie's research in particular revealed the existence of a previously unknown element, radium, which exhibited intense radioactivity. This discovery earned her and Pierre the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903, making Marie the first woman to receive such an honor. A trailblazing professor. In 1906, tragedy struck when Pierre was accidentally killed by a horse-drawn carriage. Despite her personal grief, Marie showed remarkable resilience and determination. She took over Pierre's professorship at the Sorbonne, becoming the first woman to hold a faculty position at the prestigious institution. Her dedication to her work and teaching excellence earned her respect and admiration from her students and colleagues alike. Second Nobel Prize. Marie's groundbreaking work in radioactivity did not go unrecognized. In 1911, she was awarded her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry for her discovery of radium and polonium. With this honor, she became the first person to win Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields. Marie's achievement shattered glass ceilings and paved the way for future generations of women in science. Her dedication to research and teaching inspired countless individuals, particularly women, to pursue their dreams and break free from societal expectations. World War I and medical impact. During World War I, Marie witnessed firsthand the devastation and suffering caused by the conflict. Driven by her compassion and scientific curiosity, She played a pivotal role in developing mobile X-ray units known as Little Curies to help wounded soldiers. These units were instrumental in diagnosing and treating injured personnel on the front lines, saving countless lives. Marie's commitment to using science for the greater good extended beyond the laboratory. She trained hundreds of women to operate the mobile X-ray units, providing them with essential skills and knowledge. Her efforts not only helped advance medical technology, but also empowered women to contribute to the war effort in a meaningful way. Later years and legacy. Following World War I, Marie continued her research on radioactivity, despite the health risks associated with prolonged exposure to radiation. Tragically, her years of working with radioactive materials ultimately led to her death from aplastic anemia on July 4, 1934. Throughout her life, Marie faced numerous obstacles and challenges, including gender discrimination, societal expectations, and personal tragedies. However, she persevered, driven by her passion for science, compassion for humanity, and an unwavering pursuit of knowledge. Marie's groundbreaking discoveries in radioactivity transformed our understanding of the natural world and laid the foundation for advancements in nuclear physics and medicine. Her contributions to science are immeasurable, and her legacy continues to inspire generations of scientists and thinkers. Moreover, Marie's impact extended beyond the realm of science. She was a trailblazer for women's rights, shattering glass ceilings and paving the way for future generations. Her dedication to teaching and mentoring young scientists, particularly women, left an enduring impact on the scientific community. Today, Marie's memory is honored through various means. Numerous hospitals, schools, research centers, and even an element on the periodic table, curium, are named in her honor. Her story continues to be celebrated, reminding us of the transformative power of science and the indomitable spirit of a remarkable woman who dared to dream big and change the world. The Curie's work laid the foundation for our modern understanding of radioactivity and nuclear physics. Their discoveries have profound implications for various fields, including medicine, energy, and technology. Marie's research on the use of X-rays in medicine, for example, revolutionized the early detection and treatment of diseases like cancer. Additionally, her work on radioactive elements like radium paved the way for advancements in nuclear energy and the development of new technologies. Moreover, the Curie's findings challenged existing scientific theories and expanded the boundaries of human knowledge. Their investigations into the nature of radioactivity led to the discovery of new elements and isotopes, enriching our understanding of the fundamental constituents of the universe. Their contributions to science not only advanced our technological capabilities, but also deepened our comprehension of the natural world. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Marie's work was not without its challenges and setbacks. Early on, she and Pierre faced skepticism and criticism from the scientific community, who questioned the validity of their research on radioactivity. Furthermore, the lack of proper safety protocols and equipment made their experiments hazardous, exposing them to high levels of radiation without adequate protection. Despite these obstacles, the Curie's determination and meticulous approach to research prevailed, leading to groundbreaking discoveries that changed the course of scientific history. And it's not just the scientific community that benefited from the Curie's work. Their research had far-reaching implications for society as a whole. For instance, Marie's efforts to utilize X-rays in medical diagnosis and treatment had a profound impact on healthcare. The development of radiotherapy as a cancer treatment, in part due to the Curie's discoveries, has saved countless lives and continues to be a vital tool in modern medicine. Moreover, the Curie's work on radioactivity played a significant role in the development of nuclear energy. While the implications of nuclear power are complex and controversial, it's undeniable that the Curie's research laid the groundwork for this revolutionary energy source. In conclusion, the Curie's impact on our world is immeasurable. Their groundbreaking discoveries in radioactivity transformed our understanding of the natural world and had far-reaching implications for medicine, energy, and technology. Their dedication to scientific inquiry, coupled with Marie's unwavering determination and passion for knowledge, serve as an inspiration to scientists and dreamers alike. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the cosmos and push the boundaries of human ingenuity, the legacy of the Curies lives on, reminding us that with curiosity, perseverance, and an unquenchable thirst for discovery, we can unlock the secrets of the universe and improve the world around us. So, what do you think? Was Marie Curie a trailblazer for women in STEM or just a brilliant scientist? Let us know your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of Minds Change the World. Thanks for watching.